If you're looking for some budgeting tips and tricks or ways to save up for that down payment or your new monthly housing costs, I have you covered. The first is to start living those new expenses now, to try them on for size. So get an estimate of what those housing costs will be, the mortgage, the HOA fees, your new insurance payments, and actually spend that amount of money each month to see if it works. If it's more than what you're currently paying, transfer that money to savings. And that has a win-win result because not only are you trying on the new expenses to see how they feel in your budget, but you're also building your savings at the same time. Another way to save and also save yourself some headache during the mortgage process is to cut out any of those larger irregular recurring expenses that you'll need to explain during the mortgage process so that you can actually put that money into savings now. What's great about saving for a home is we're often really motivated to do so. So it works really well to have a visual representation of a home or the home that looks like the home you want, either in your wallet, on your desk, on your fridge, to remind yourself of it often. And then every time you go to make a purchase or have a spending decision, you can weigh it against this goal you have of buying a home. Is it worth it to me? Is this expense something that I want to do, or would I rather put the money in my house fund? And when we're saving for something that's really big, like a home, the numbers can feel very daunting. So it can feel like the $5 I'm putting aside each week or the $20 I'm putting aside, it's gonna take me thousands of years to save up for a home. But I want to remind you that our goals are not linear. When we're building good financial habits and we're saving, our progress can be exponential as we're learning new skills and building that muscle.